Hi, hello, welcoming all. In today's class, we're gonna learn about the how to add the 3D text and the in our project, as well as the let us explore about the call-out function. So maybe in order to understand better, I'll open the one of the previous drawing which I have created so far. I'm just opening the drawing. We will understand how to basically the 3D text, how to place in this drawing. Let us explore. Okay, so as of now I have created this one of the projects in the Revit. So I want to showcase, I want to add the one of the 3D model or maybe the model in text here. So in order to add the text, let me go to the architecture tab. You will find an option called model text. So you just need to click on the model text. So basically you have this kinds of showcasing the 3D model on the walls. So now just I'm clicking on this. Right now I'm adding simply okay, I'll add 3BHK villa. I simply add this. Okay, I'm creating. As soon as I'm just entering here, you can able to notice this has been getting adding in the what I can say the floor, but not in the wall. As of now, if I'm clicking here, you can able to notice this has been added in the wall, I mean the floor, but it is not taking in the wall. So maybe as of now it's rotated. Let me rotate this. I'll go to this and I create, where is this, 180 degree. So basically as of now you can just able to see from the top as 3 BHK villa, but I can't able to place in the wall. So basically this happens because the work plane is set for this 3D model text as the horizontal. So in order to select the wall, what I have to do, again I just need to go to the selection of the work plane. Basically you have the tab called the work plane. You can able to notice there is a work plane or set work plane is option is available. As of now I'm selecting this. You can just select the whichever level as well. If you want, you can just click on the pick a plane. I'm clicking on OK. Now I need to select the which plane you want to place the text. See, as I'm hovering the mouse here, you can able to notice the blue color, the boundary line is being defining the plane or maybe the surface. Right now I'm just clicking on this. The plane or the surface has been now created. Now if you want, you can just click on the show button. It shows the plane where you have entered or maybe you have selected. So now the plane has been selected. Okay, now you can just go to the or maybe you can just click on this and you can just pick new plane. You can do that as well. Of course, if you don't want, you can just go back here once again, go to the 3D model. I'll add the 3BHK. I'll add in capital letter villa. Okay, now I can able to add this somewhere here. See here, 3 BHK villa now has been added. I don't think I edit this text. I'll go to the villa. I simply villa 101. I name it as the villa 01. Okay, I move this way, go to the back, I add somewhere here. Okay, yeah, so now the movement has been done, somewhat it looking fine. Okay, so now the 3D text has been now placed. So basically this is how the function of the placing the 3D view or plane is going to work. I'm just deleting this. So now you can able to notice this is how the text or maybe the 3D text you can define, and you can just add. This is the entire plan has been created using the Revit. So this is basically it has the 3 BHK. As you, if you want, you can just I'll show you the plan as well. I enable the section plan. So I'm enabling the section plan because it's loading quite slow because the file is heavier. As of now the section plan is enabled. Basically section plan is like you can select the entire 3D model and you can just cut and you can show how much you want. As of now I'm dragging and dropping this way. So The upper part has been eliminated now, or maybe it is made as this section. Now once again, if you want, you can just drag this way, just to, it is taking a lot of time. So in order to save the loading speed, I'm just reducing all. Okay, now again from the back, again from this side. Yeah, so now basically you can able to notice, see, as you enter, you have the one living, and you have the lift area, and you have the kitchen, and again you have the attached toilet, then you have the puja or maybe the dining area, or then you have the one more, maybe you can just convert this as the dining area. So this is how basically, this is, we can, sorry, this is the lift area, this is staircase area, this is dining, and this is kitchen, and this is the living area. So if you want to go up, I'll go to the back side, I create, or maybe I'll enable this way. I'll go to the till first floor, I'll add. Yes, I think I need to take it further more. Yeah, now you can able to notice the first floor plan, the staircase which I have not added here. Maybe if you are particularly making the entire interior design, then definitely have to do all the customization here. So this is one of the bedroom which has the small balcony here, and with the sliding door, and you have the lift pit area, then you have the common or attached toilet, then again you have the one of the bedrooms here, and you have the walk-in wardrobe area and attached toilets. So then again, if you go up, I'm just taking till the terrace just to save the time. I think the same, only the mirror image which has been taken care. And again in the top you have the one of the bedroom here, and you have the staircase here coming, and you have the private terrace which is accessible from this particular bedroom, and you have the one more, and this is utility which you can just close everything, and drying area and all those area. And basically from the back side you have the kitchen. From the outside there is a small utility area, and here as well there is a small deck area which is available and which is projected from the dining area. This is how basically the design has done. And once again, if you don't want, you go to the escape button, you disable or maybe uncheck this section box, the entire project is going to view from here. So this is I definitely say Revit has much advance in terms of designing and detailing part. Yes, so hope you understood the concept of the model text. Now let us go for the callout. Say for example, I'm having the properties or project browser. Let me go to the first floor. I'm going this way. So I want to see, basically this is the floor plan. Maybe I will go to the fine view, I'll go to the hidden. So this is basically the floor plan which is been showcasing all the details, but to a certain level we have the limitation to showcase all the details in the floor plan. So maybe you want to showcase in a particular area. Say for example, this is the lift pit area or maybe the lift area. You want to showcase only this area and highlighted with all the details. So in order to use this, what you have to do, again you have to go back to the view option. You have the feature called the callout. Okay, this is there are two types. One is the rectangular callout or maybe the sketch. Let me go to the rectangular. I'm just dragging this way and dropping here. If you want, you can just drag once again. I'm just taking this way. See here. So now once if I double click on this, you can able to notice this the particular only this selection, I mean the area is going to showcasing you. If you want, you can just increase the area. Okay, now again you can just go to the fine view and you can go to the hidden. It's fine. Now again you can just showcase the details here. Say for example, you can just go to the annotation part, you can go to the align measurements, you can enable and you can show the dimension here, and here as well what is the lift inside depth, And I think as of now the dimension part which has been you can see basically I'm just taking the dimension somewhere here. The text behind it is as of now the walls is going to erase. That means because of the text I don't want to do that. I'll show you one thing. I'm just texting this, just selecting this text. I'm going to the edit tab. I'll go to the property panel. As of now the solid the where is this text? Okay, text background. See, basically this is find the text background as the opaque. I want to clear, I make it as the transparent, apply, and okay. Now as of now the transparent becomes the behind the wall also. It's now you can able to see this is applicable to all the annotation here. Then again I'll go here, I'll go to the edit. If you want you can just the text width, where is this text size, you can just change. Maybe I'll add as the 1 mm. Okay, you can just reduce the text width how you want. You can just do all these things here. Then again if you want you can just showcase this dimension as well. This is 230 mm which we have created with the plaster thickness here as well. Okay, so then then you have the annotation part. You can go to the text. In the text you can just select only the text or text with leader, or maybe the text with this one segment. As of now I'm selecting the 2 segment. Okay, this way, and drag. I select as the 230 mm block work. Okay, I'm skipping. Okay, and you have the this area. I'll mention this as the lift pit area. I'll add this as the lift area. Okay, then again I'll go somewhere here. I'll add the lift wall, or maybe the core wall, lift wall or core wall. Okay, then again I'm having I think this one is the okay. So now basically the details, this much is sufficient because I have not done much the design here. Only the basic, the lift, and you have the walls and surrounded by. Then if you want to showcase the level also, here you can just go to the spot elevation. As of now this level is highlighting as the 611 mm with reference to the ground floor. Okay, I'm just checking this way and closing here. So basically if I go inside, it is showing the thickness or maybe the level as the 610 mm. And again if I'm hovering outside this lift area, it's showing as the 611. I'm just outside of this area showing the 150 mm. So these are the elevation part you can just show, or else if you want you can just coordinates also you can just represent. Maybe I'm just enabling the coordinates somewhere here. Okay, fine. Now this is how the northing and easting you can just add. So this is how the basically the callout function works. This is as of now selected callout function as the rectangular. There is one more option which is available, where is here the by sketch. Let me go to the HGL. I add somewhere the main door part somewhere here. Let me add this with the sketch. I'm just selecting the simple line. I want this irregular patterns. The way, if you want you can just select this in this pattern. If you want you can just close this. Okay, and again you can just go to this and you enable the fine view. If you want you can just enable the shaded. Basically this is how it looks, the part the what I can say, I can just drag, where is this, sorry, I can drag this way. Okay, this is the uneven shapes or maybe uneven the means you want to specifically you only want to decide the callout area in that particular section or particular area time. You can use this called this sketch area, maybe that's by sketch. So then again you can just go to the here, if you want you can just enable the shaded. So this is the floor plan of the first floor. Then again you go to the sheet. I'll go to the sheet. Where is this? I add the new sheet. As of now there is no sheet here. Let me add the A1. Okay, I load this sheet. I go to the 3D views, sorry, the callout which is 1, callout this is 2. Okay, then I'll go to the okay, callout 1 unnamed sheet. Let me add the one callout, drag and drop here. Okay, and this callout, the scale is, I want to reduce it to the 1 in 25. Let me go here. I want this to be somewhere in here. Okay, I add somewhere here. Okay, yeah, so this is, you can just showcase in this way. And again, if you want, you can just add the first floor plan and drag and drop here. Where is this? I think I don't want the entire first floor plan because it is taking the entire thing. I don't think. I control Z. Let me, don't want the entire part. I want this. Fine. Okay, then it is, seems to be fine. As of now we are just focusing only on the what I can say, the callout area and callout function. Let us explore that. So then I'm having the what is this, 3D views or sheet. Maybe if you want, you can just add a 3D view as well somewhere here. So before that, it is loading here. It's loading. Okay, now basically this is, I need to crop because the entire area has been selected. So as of now, because of that reason, it is loading in the entire. I don't want to add the entire region here, so I'm just removing this. This is, I want to showcase, this is how the basically the callout function it's going to work. And then one more, you have the feature called the drafting view. Drafting view, in the sense, this feature is enabled or maybe useful when the typical details is going to it's not particularly applicable to one particular area. It's going to be typical. That means the if, say for example, you are having the first floor somewhere here, you are showcasing the window details here. On either side, the finishing details is unique for all the buildings, I mean the throughout the building. Those kinds of details you can just showcase in the as a drafting view. Okay, now let me go to the drafting view 1 in 10. So it simply creates the drafting view. Maybe if you want, you can just go to the architecture, or maybe sorry, and the annotation part. Maybe I'll add the filtration. I'll select the this, I'll mention it as the 1 in fine details, shade, sorry, hidden. Okay, now click on OK. Now once again, hidden only is coming, hidden is fine. So 1 in 10, 1 in 50 is fine. Okay, now again, you can, if you want, you can just showcase the text here as well. Here text as the simply window sill, and you can leave. And again, if you go to the, where is this color section here, now you can able to notice one more section is being created here, that is called the drafting. So you can just drag and drop here. Okay, this is how the drafting is going. Basically this drafting, we can call it as general notes, or the typical applicable the junction, as you, if you want, you can showcase in your drawing. That you can, that time you can definitely use the drafting. So major in this session, we want to say the call out section is very important when you're detailing and when you're going in details. So that you can just take a part and you can just try and practice yourself, and you'll understand better. So rest I think the drafting is to a certain level is okay. And as well as the next, the previous one, what we have learned is the model text. So hope you have understood this is the concept which I am taught. You try to do it yourself and you take an example and you'll understand much. Yes, let's catch up in the next module.